if f dash g dash, if f dash and g dash exists for all x belonging to a comma b closed interval, and if f dash g dash x is not 0 for all x belonging to open interval a comma b, then show that show that for c belonging to a comma b, fc minus gfa upon gb minus gc is equal to f dash c upon g dash c. Here, one thing you note, basically in Cauchy's theorem, we have this type of a format: fb minus fa upon gb minus ga and f dash c upon g dash c. This is the format. ये Cauchy theorem का format होता है. But it is not in that form, in this manner. Here, we cannot take phi x is equal to, we cannot take, let me write it down here. We cannot take phi x is equal to this fb minus fx plus a gb minus gx. This format of function we cannot take. This we can take only if it is in this format. ये format हम नहीं ले सकते. अगर इस format में हो तभी हम ये format ले सकते हैं. We cannot take this format otherwise, because this is a c here, there is a c here. So this is, be careful what they have given. Now in this case, we need a different format. We need a different format. The format is, you consider this, wait a minute, let's rub all this. You consider only this much, this as just as GB. Forget about this. And wherever you see C, you take an X. That is, I mean to say, you design the function like this: fx minus fa. Wait, I'll show you how to design the function first. Design the function. You take, I'm doing it in the rough. This is rough. You take fx minus fa upon gb. You forget about this c, and you take fx gx, and then only you will be able to design this is the way of designing this function. This is a bit different. So now इस फंक्शन को डिजाइन करने का तरीका अलग है. वो जो पूरा दिखाया था मैंने, ये वाला phi x is fb minus fx plus a gb minus gx. This way, the which I showed you earlier, is not possible here, because this is a c here. This is a c here, not a. This is c. So this format is not possible. Now you need to do some changes in this format. The format you need to use, you need to design the format in this manner. So the format would be, the format is phi of x, you cross multiply everything, fx gx minus fa gx, and then you write, this will be cross multiplied there, then when जब इधर आएगा वो आएगा gb fx. Now phi x is continuous on a comma b. Phi x is derivable on open interval a comma b. Now you have to use this third condition of roles. Phi of a should be equal to phi of b. That is, let us find phi of a. Phi of a is fa ga minus fa ga minus gb fa. So they cancel out each other. You get gb and fa. Now let us find phi b. Phi b is fb gb minus fa gb minus gb fb. So they cancel out each other. Now again, this and this are same. So the roles, third condition of roles is verified. The third condition of roles. So third condition of roles is verified. Roles is verified. So now we will use that there exists a C between A and B such that phi dash C is 0. What is phi x? Phi x is your fx gx minus your fagx minus gb gx fx. Now take the derivative phi dash x f dash x gx product rule plus fx g dash x minus fa g dash x minus gb f dash x. Now you have phi dash c is 0. From here you have all the three conditions of roles are satisfied. So phi dash c is 0. This implies f dash c gc plus fc g dash c minus fa g dash c minus gb f dash c. Now you take f dash c, all those things common, this side is equal to 0. Now you take f dash c, then you have in bracket this one and this one, you have gc minus gb. You have gc minus gb, then you take g dash c common plus g dash c, you have this one and then this one. So that is fc minus fa, and this is equal to 0. Now take this on the other side. So f dash c is gc minus gb is equal to minus g dash c fc minus fa, and this is f dash c upon g dash c is equal to, you have your minus outside, fc minus fa upon gc minus gb. Now take this minus, इस minus को denominator multiply कर दो. Multiply the minus in the denominator. You will get f dash c, wait a minute, f dash c, you have f dash c upon g dash c is equal to fc minus fa upon gb minus gc. See, one thing here, it is clear. It is not BA and BC. BA and BC. That is, I am talking about the Cauchy theorem. Cauchy theorem is FB minus FA upon GB minus GC. The GA. We cannot use that old method. We have to change our little bit of our method, because here's the C. Earlier, in this case, it was f dash c and g dash c, which where c was in between a and b. यहाँ पे वो कंडीशन था, ये तब यूज किया जाता है जब b और a है और c ऐसे है कि वो डेरिवेटिव के अंदर हो, c a और b के बीच में हो. तो यहाँ पे क्या सिचुएशन है? Here what the situation is, c has come in place here and c has come a place here, where c is still in between a and b. Therefore, there is a change in the way approach of solving this problem. I hope you have understood this issue. That here why I cannot use, मैं यहाँ पे ये क्यों नहीं यूज कर सकता? Why I cannot use write the function like this? Because fb is not there. I cannot use write the function like this. gb minus gx, I cannot write it because fa, and this is not fb minus, and there is no a. Here there is no a. यहाँ पे कोई a नहीं है और यहाँ पे कोई b नहीं है. So I cannot use that this technique. This technique I cannot use here. So I need to change my way of approach here. I hope you have understood this problem.